Now, let me tell you why investing in property is important. First, we have capital appreciation. This growth, known as capital appreciation, helps build wealth without much effort. Investing in popular locations with strong demand for housing or business spaces can lead to a significant financial gain as property value rises. Leverage. This means borrowing more money to buy a property and using a little bit of your own money. This could be as little as 5% of the property value, and a bank or a lender will give you the rest of the money to purchase the property without having to bring in all of your own funds. Now, let's talk about strong and stable return. Homes and buildings like offices make money from rents and might become more valuable over time. By setting the right rents and managing your expenses wisely, you can increase your profits significantly. Now, let's talk about passive income, or we can call it a regular income. This reliable income stream is one of the main reasons people choose property investing. When tenants pay their rent each month, it gives that regular income. This regular income is useful for those looking to add to their main income or build a long-term investment portfolio. Let's talk about the edge against inflation. When inflation occurs, property value and rental income tend to increase as well. This means that the money earned from renting out a property and the property overall value can both increase. By owning properties, you can potentially offset the effect of inflation and maintain the purchasing power of your income and your investment. Diversification. When you spread your money across different types of investment like stocks, bonds, and property, it helps lower the risk. If one investment doesn't do well, the others can help balance things out. So when the market feels uncertain, having property can help you feel more secure. You know all your eggs are not in one basket.